Today we got a special video. We're gonna try to get a bus started. It's been sitting since the late 70s. Graham, you think it's gonna fire up?
We can try.
Sometimes things happen beyond your control, as if they have a life of their own. The choices you make, what appears to be right, seems you just have no say. As if you're a witness to your own mistakes, it's easy to play along. After you see what the choices came to be, like a storm that's passed on. Oh, the brain down the drain. Oh, the fuse, the abuse.
This bus, the owner, Andrew, he saw the recovery video. He reached out to us, wanted us to come try to get it out, but I was like, man, this bus has been sitting since, I think he said the late 70s. It'd be really interesting to try to get this bad boy running, which I think with Graham's knowledge, not my knowledge, but Graham's, I think he can get pretty much anything started. So I told Graham, I was like, hey, let's go try to get this damn bus started. So I drug Graham out here on a Saturday. That's what he does. He's always busy.
All right, so brand new whip, got no keys.
What the?
Here, Eli.
Got you.
So,
Just for you.
we got our surgical trays here. See, Chase was missing so many tools out of his last toolkit, he had to buy a new one.
That's not true. It's locked up in his shop and I couldn't get it out.
I like how organized your tools always are, Chase. It's a growing theme in the channel.
Very organized. I hadn't even opened this. I just bought it and like
So
literally just unloaded out of the truck.
I broke the seal on it, but
Yeah.
it was.
It wasn't me.
It was Chase.
It was not. All right, let's get this bus running. What do we need? What do we need?
Wrench.
You need batteries.
Wrench.
You need me to go get. All right, what up? Need me to go get anything?
How many times?
Yes. All right. We need batteries,
All right,
candles,
I don't need candles.
tablecloth,
Don't need tablecloth.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A? Go get it. All right. All right.
Batteries, starter fluid.
Fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
It's pretty damp. We'll be all right. All right, ready, set. Come on, do some more.
Well, it's about time.
Do some more of your face shrugs.
This is how you do shrugs. I posted a video on Instagram doing the same thing.
Do it again.
Somebody said, dude, you're supposed to move your shoulders, not your neck.
Nah.
And I'm like, nah, this is the way you do it.
Yeah, this is the right way. Was it hard bringing them batteries all the way out here?
No, it was only like 30 feet over there.
Oh, you
What are you laughing for?
got it.
What are you laughing at? It is hot though.
Yeah.
All right, where do these go? Well, he's on the back or on the side?
Shout out to Patriot Liner for these badass hats he delivered to the shop the other day for everybody. So keep an eye out because we'll be having some of those soon.
Nice. Oh, okay.
Oh,
All right, let's get this.
Hercules!
Let's get this bus started. We gotta get this thing running.
We're about to make a gym edit right there.
All right.
All right, so we've got the batteries. We're gonna put these batteries in. Now let's grab some tools and get to work.
Have you ever used those ones before?
These?
Yeah, have you used these kinds of tools before?
Yeah. So this toolkit right here is actually from Harbor Freight. They call it the Mechanics Toolkit. It's like $200, but if you get their 20% off coupon, it's like 180. So when I had a fleet of military trucks, I had one for every truck.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Because they go, you know, you've got 1.25 inches. sockets on the 3/4 drive, so I just kept one in every truck in case it broke down. I had everything I needed to work on it.
Got you.
And I mean, more than likely, you know, some of these new trucks we got coming out, I'll keep one of these in there just so. I'd rather lose some Harbor Freight tools than some Snap-on tools.
Got you.
Some Mac tools, you know.
That makes sense.
All right, so these spark plugs are pretty bad, so we're gonna send Chase up to the store to get some new ones for us. I'll send this with him. It's an old Champion plug, so we'll send him to get something else, and we'll make that number.
Bullshit. What am I, go for now?
Go for it.
God. All right.
And while you're out, will you get some starter fluid, please?
Yeah.
Now we're in business, baby. We got everything we need.
Yeah.
Get this bus started. Hey, what's the first trip you're gonna take on your bus when it starts?
Probably your mom's house.
All right, so we got our new plugs here. We're gonna get these all screwed in and then test it out. Luckily, it looks like the choke was closed and there's a dirt dauber in there. So we're gonna try to break that up and suck it out with a shop vac of some sort. Hopefully none gets down in there. We can try to start it. We got this dirt dauber's nest broken out. We got majority of it out. A little bit fell down in there, but you know, that'll go into the intake, and then, I mean, if it runs, it runs. So we'll get some starter fluid that Chase just picked up from the store, spray some in there, and hook the batteries up, see if we can at least turn it over.
Yeah.
Do it again?
All right, Jake, start it.
So it sounds like the starter's engaging, but it's just hitting the flywheel. We may need to try to turn the motor over a little, see if we can get the teeth on the starter, on the Bendix, to engage in the actual teeth on the flywheel.
How's that?
Man, is that some bitch locked up?
Damn. You just got back from the store?
Yeah.
You like driving that much?
No.
Oh. Thanks.
We good, right? Don't need anything else?
No, we got starter fluid, and then I guess we're gonna.
I just got starter fluid. You don't need more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Beavis.
All right. All right, I think we're good. We got the motor turned over, so we're gonna try to engage the starter again.
All right.
And then see if it'll start. All right, ready?
Hang on a second. Let me get in. Tell me when you're ready. Ready?
Yeah. Try it one more time.
I'm trying. Cut it off.
All right, do it again.
Try it again.
I know what's wrong with it.
It ain't got no gas in it. It ain't got no motor in it. That's why it won't start.
That actually makes sense, now that I think about it. Because there's not a motor, so that's why it's not starting.
Y'all got pranked.